Alright guys, on our way to the Airsoft Tulsa 12 to 3 session with my man Austin. You know, we're gonna meet Ian up there. You know, we got everything, we got all our supplies, got our little dies, high kappa, you know, that's what's up. Jam box, gotta get turned. We're gonna meet Ian up here, and we'll see y'all when we get there. Guys, we've made it to the field. Trying to keep it a little low quality. You know, we gotta laying our stuff out. You know, got everything. Got around cool 30 people here, and Ian's not here yet, but we'll let you know when he's here. Alright guys, my guy Ian, he's up in this hoe. All his stuff, you know. Little gun, I'm somewhere. Guy Austin. We're all gonna be rocking the dies today, you know, repping against all these people here. You know, it's booming with like 7 people. What's up guys? Just finished our first session here, you know, a little tired, pretty sweaty. Had some pretty good clips. They'll probably be included in this montage. I'm sure you already saw them, but I don't know, we'll see. Montages might be coming soon. Just gotta take some pictures of Austin, Ian. They're pretty dank.